Osmo Pocket 3 1080 times 60 frames, 4 times zoom. I'm in the secret car park. We're on a recce trip. I was waiting for a sunny day, but Alright, I'll get out the car. Alright guys. Alright. Glenative. But we continue west then north through Glencoe. Still in Glencoe. I don't know this area very well, but yeah. So this is relatively new to me. Here's where I am, right about here, just past the Bickle, although it's the wrong. Has it stopped here? We've been lied to. We've been deceived, I should say. Still in Glencoe, here's where I've come from. It's too busy for me. There it is. Fantastic footage. Glencoe still. There's too many people of it. That's the best you can. Alright guys, we're looking back. We're right in the bowels of Glencoe now. I've mixed up the zoom and the gimbal. That's one problem with the Osmo, the Pocket 3. The gimbal and the zoom, you need to pick one or the other for the joystick. To prepare. Google Bard says that you can click the joystick once and you can set it for zoom, but I couldn't, so maybe it's only when you get a firmware update, I don't know, but it doesn't work with the one you get at the moment. Maybe it does with the firmware update. Like I said, I've not updated it. Aye, this is this ridge, isn't it, where it's really thin at the top. So there you go guys, the 3 ugly sisters, I think. So that's the south side, this is the north side, this is the narrowest ridge, I think. I'm going to Glencoe village, that's where I came from. I'm looking north. There's a lady up to the left, so I can't. So that's west. That's where I'm going. Down there, so. Oh. I know you like waterfalls.